Why do I need to make a certification that costs me 15,000 euros for just a product that costs something like $1.20 if I don't have a client that wants it? Hi, Hendrik here from RLKGroup. ROXTO is our own brand. So ROXTO is the brand that we use normally to open the doors to talk to clients. It is our brand, which means we normally target European customers, mainly SMEs. So we have specific products for the European market. ROXTO is used normally as some kind of substitute for a neutral brand or like a white label product. So the goal of ROXTO is it should be tender ready. It should be therefore durable. The quality should be exactly as expected, and it has to be priced in the right way. ROXTO on the other side is our brand to basically evolve into your brand. So if you're thinking about a private label line, our plan is you buy some ROXTO products, we change some details here and some details there, and it becomes your private label line. The difference between our products and let's just call it general Chinese products is the target market. So the target market for us is mainly Western Europe. We have quite some products specifically for Germany, where you can think of, we have certifications like GS, which is very uncommon in China to have because in global context, the German market is relatively small. So let's just say stapler or for a hole puncher manufacturer, it doesn't really make sense to certify his products according to GS standards because it is just one market out of, if you think about the EU, Germany is just one market out of 20 something. So the Chinese manufacturer will pretty much think about, why do I need to make a certification that costs me 15,000 euros for just a product that costs something like $1.20 if I don't have a client that wants it? Why should I do it? Why should I put the money out and invest it? Now, for the Chinese manufacturer, it makes absolutely no sense to pretty much come up every certification for every market. Because if you think about GS and if you think about the EU, GS is great to have in Germany. GS might be interesting for Swiss or Austrian customers. But a Spanish customer or an Italian customer is not really interested in GS because it is a solely German certification. So the Chinese manufacturer will think about, I want to sell my goods to Europe, to USA, to certain other markets. So he will not invest money into those things. That is what truly sets ROXTO apart. ROXTO is tender ready, ROXTO has European quality, and ROXTO is here for you. Same as RLKGroup. So talk to us.
Still losing sleep over ordering office supplies from China? Let RLKGroup do the heavy lifting. If you want more insider sourcing secrets and industry tips, smash that subscribe button, follow us, and ring the little bell. Catch you next time.